F is for the four treasures of study: the brush, ink stick, paper, and ink stone. A student needs these tools for writing, for the art of calligraphy is well known. Okay, so we've read many verses so far, and how is this verse similar to the other ones we have shared? Let's read it again. F is for the four treasures of study: the brush, ink stick, paper, and ink stone. A student needs these tools for writing, for the art of calligraphy is well known. Now we have stone and known, and those two words rhyme. Now there is an interesting word here, calligraphy. What clues does the author give us about the meaning? I see another clue inside the word. I see the word graph. I know what an autograph is. An autograph is the signing of a person's name. And when I see the word part graph, I wonder if the word is something about signing or writing. Does that make sense with the other clues we have? Calligraphy is a major subject for students from elementary to high school. It is a form of writing that has been used in China for a long time. The Chinese written language has over 50,000 characters. Every word is represented by one character, and the characters are written from top to bottom. The main tool that is used in calligraphy is a brush, because brushes can move freely from side to side and up and down. Brushes are made from fine, soft animal hair. The ink stick is made from a mixture of soot and resin. The perfect paper for calligraphy absorbs the ink but does not spread it from the brush. Inkstones are very smooth. A calligrapher will put water on the stone and then rub the ink stick over the stone until the ink is ready for the brush. Children begin learning calligraphy when they are around 6 years old. Calligraphy has become an art form. Many famous poets, lyricists, and writers use calligraphy to tell a story or write a poem. When finished, they sign their works with a red seal. This signifies the paper is authentic by the artist. What does it mean for something to be a subject? Okay, now let's look at the illustration right here. It looks like these are Chinese characters. How are they different from letters that we use to read and write? Why do they need an inkstone? And how is the red seal similar to an autograph? Now, I have one more question for you. Now that we've learned more about Chinese writing, why do you think it's called the Four Treasures of Study? All right, I want you to think about that. And then we are going to be moving to our vocabulary for the day.